Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So, like always, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe right down below this video. Like always, if you enjoyed watching the video, please put that thumbs up. If you don't, you already know what to do. Put that thumbs down. But hopefully y'all do like my videos and y'all are subscribed already. If not, please subscribe. But make sure y'all click that notification bell. That way y'all don't miss out on any videos that I put on the channel, whether it be on the G35 or any other thing that I upload. If y'all don't want to miss out, make sure y'all click that bell. But like always, do those three things and I'd greatly appreciate it. And like always, you'll be part of the G35 fam. So, now that I did that intro, let's get this video started. Alright guys, so what's up? I thought I'd do a video on the lights that I ordered. So the lights that I got for the reverse lights, I got some new LED lights, and then for the license plate lights, I got some of those. So I got it from this company. I don't know if you've heard about them. The guy Caesar, who also has a G35. I saw him get those lights for his car. He did the ones for the map light and the ones for the license plate lights. The ones for the license plate, I really like those because those are really bright. So I'm really excited to see how those turn out. And the ones I haven't seen yet are the reverse lights. So I'm gonna get those installed on my G35. So right now I have Sylvania reverse lights, and I have the license plate. I have Sylvania for those too. The reason why I like Sylvania is because they have lifetime warranty, and it's a pretty good product. But so pretty much these are what they look like. So this right here is for your reverse lights. If you want to know what type of bulb it is, it's a 921 and 912 bulb. I'll put a link in the description for the reverse lights, and then for the license plate lights, it's 194 and 168. So I think these also go with your side markers. So, but I'm gonna put these on the license plate. So we're gonna try it out, and we're gonna see how it is, because I heard they're pretty bright. So I'm excited to see what that looks like. But like always, been talking too much, so let's start with the reverse lights. Alright, so pretty much right now I'm gonna take off this clip, 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 and this clip. I'm gonna take off all the clips. I'm gonna take this off. That way I can remove all of this, and it's gonna show me where the bulb goes. So I'm gonna do that right now. If you want to know what I usually just use like a slim flathead screwdriver, and then yeah, that's pretty much all I really use. So something like this. So I'm gonna do that right now, and we're gonna once I get all this, I will show you what to do after that. Okay, so now that I removed all those clips, this piece goes down, and it exposes all the harness that you need to to take out the reverse lights. So for this, you just twist it, and it pops out. So as you can see, like I said, I had the Sylvania brand. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna leave this one in. That way I can do a comparison. But I'm gonna take this out and install this one. So yeah. And if you're wondering, this is a USA product. USA. No, I'm just playing. But it is a USA product, and it's new LED technology. So we'll see how it is. But all right, let me take this one off and put it in here, and then I'm gonna see what it looks. Show you all the difference. All right. So this is the new one. You can tell. that one's the new one, and then this is the other one. So I don't know, what do you think? If you can tell in the video, this one's a little more brighter, so I'm gonna have to go with that one. So yeah. Alright, let me put this other one in, and then we're gonna do the parking lot lights. So alright guys, and that's what it looks like with both of them on. Literally went blind right now. Freaking light is bright, but that's pretty much how it is. Alright, so now I'm gonna do the license plate, and we're gonna see how that one turns out. Alright everyone, so as you can see, these are the old ones. They're not bright at all. Y'all can't see it, right? I mean, you can see maybe a little bit on my finger, but they're not really bright. So I'm gonna change these out, and we're gonna see how it looks. And real quick, if you've never changed these, you just push this little tab in, and it releases it. But yeah, if you never change these, all you do is just twist this, and the light will pop out. But I'm gonna clean these because, as you can see, they're kind of dirty. So I want to get the full brightness. But I just thought I'd show y'all what it looks like when you take it off. So, alright.